Hi, I'm Shtu, cooking today rosehip broth. This is very vitaminized and very tasty Russian beverage. Let's do it together. This is dried rosehip berries. In Russia, we use this a lot to prevent all type of diseases and just to be healthy. So take 3 big tablespoons of rose hips and put it into water, half liter of water. So 3 spoons, half liter, and boil it for several minutes. If you bought berries from shop, it's better to clean them before cooking. Boil it under cover for 5 minutes. Then we remove it from heat and leave for 6 hours on the towel to make it ready. If you start make it in the morning, in the evening you can drink very fancy beverage. Our beverage is ready. Now we have to filter it after 6 hours, and we will use small sieve and we will just filter it to the glass. And before we do that, you can take these fruits and break it like this. So you will take more out of this flavor. Break everything and then filter. Amazing, so much health and many vitamins inside. Let's try it.